when I go to do video for a high school game, no matter what sport it is, I have three concepts in mind that I'm thinking of, and it's very simple: pre-game, during the game, and post-game. I'm looking for the B-roll shots in the pre-game. I'm looking for like an introductory shot of a team huddle or a team high five or whatever little ritual maybe that they do on the court or on the field. I'm shooting video of signs around the gym or around the rink. Shots of the fans. Sometimes the fans they see you with the camera, they'll start going nuts for you. So you've got those things where you can kind of use as transition points in your video later on. And as you're shooting the game, during the game, step number two, you're thinking about the flow just like you would for your written story. You're also thinking in your head like, okay, that's a highlight I'm probably going to come back to for my video. Or this is a key stretch during the game where a basketball team has just scored 10 points in a row and it was a tie game and now they're up, now they're up pretty big. So I'm going to want to refer back to that both in my article and in the video. So I want to make sure I've got those plays. And then for the post game, I have all of that already built in and I know kind of how I'd like to frame the story in the video. Now I can go about making sure that I get the appropriate quotes from the coaches and the players afterwards that go along with those key moments. And when you put it all together, if you've done it right, you've storyboarded it in your head, and it came out, there's nothing more satisfying when it actually works and it all comes together nicely.